Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making these super simple bean and cheese quesadillas. They're so easy. You can make them vegetarian, vegan, whatever you like. And it's honestly just the simplest thing when you need something that's really fast and easy. So let's get started. The first thing we need is one 19-ounce can of beans that have been rinsed and drained and a tablespoon of chili powder or taco seasoning. Taco seasoning's so good in here. I used Romano beans. You can use black beans. You can use whatever you like. Then we're going to add a quarter cup of your favorite salsa. I had this green Mexican sauce, which I'm using instead of salsa. So good in here. This is honestly the fastest and easiest thing. And like I said, you can use pinto beans or black beans or whatever you have in the house. Even chickpeas would work in this. And then I'm going to add some hot sauce because I love to have it a bit spicy. So I'm going to add that Valentina in there, make it taste so good. Valentina is honestly one of my favorites for the flavor. It's not super spicy, but the flavor is just so good. Like, look how fast and easy this comes together. You can put this all in a food processor if you want to do that, but I did not want to clean the food processor. So I am just going to be mashing that up with a potato masher to save a little bit on cleanup. But if you want to save yourself from mashing, blitz that right up in the food processor and then your filling is ready. So we just want to mash it down until we have a nice, almost refried bean-like consistency. This is fast, this is easy, and we're getting in some fiber, and you could even add some spinach in there if you wanted to get in some greens. Now, this is going to make about 4 servings total, just depending on how many you want to make, or you can add a ton of beans into 2 or 3 if you like, but I think it makes a nice 4 solid servings. So I've got 3 or 4 large just flour tortillas here, and then you can just add your shredded cheese, shredded vegan cheese on there, and then we're going to get a pan on medium heat with a little bit of oil. Just a nice non-stick pan, whatever pan you have, a little bit of oil, fold that in half and place it on there. And we're just going to cook it for a few minutes per side until it's golden brown, about 2, 3, 5 minutes per side, depending on how hot your pan gets. And then I'm just going to go ahead and check and make sure it's nice and golden brown and crisp. Basically, we're just heating those ingredients through, and look at that. That is looking crisp, it's looking beautiful, it's just looking so good. And we're going to be able to serve these with any toppings that you like. So you can use guacamole, you can use sour cream, you can use I had a chipotle mayo that I dipped it in. Whatever you have. This is just honestly one of those recipes that I love to have for just backup. If I have a can of beans, maybe I have some flour tortillas in the freezer, it's just something I can throw together when I need something really just sort of fuss-free, something that I'm going to make really fast, really easy. Maybe I don't feel like cooking, maybe I don't have time to cook. It's filling, it's delicious. I absolutely love this one, and I hope that you all loved it too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below for more videos like this.